Have you ever wondered how an unassuming hotel can transform into the pulsating heart of a city's entertainment scene? Today, we'll tell you the remarkable story of a humble hotel that did just that. This is a tale of resilience, innovation, and sheer determination. It's a testament to the power of dreaming big and the magic that can happen when you dare to turn those dreams into reality. In the bustling city of Madras, a modest hotel once stood largely unnoticed by the throngs of people passing by. But as the world spun on its axis, this hotel began to transform. Its walls, once silent, began to reverberate with laughter and cheer. Its rooms, once empty, started filling up with the buzz of excited chatter and the clinking of glasses. Its once humble bar became a place of gathering, a refuge for friends to unwind, for strangers to become friends, and for everyone to celebrate the simple joys of life. But this transformation wasn't as easy as flipping a switch. The hospitality industry is a beast of a field, unpredictable and full of challenges. The journey to becoming a hub of entertainment was filled with obstacles and hurdles. There were times when it seemed like their dream was slipping away, but the spirit of the hotel was indomitable. It weathered the storms, faced the uncertainties, and rose to the challenges. It was a journey of blood, sweat, and tears, but also of joy, celebration, and camaraderie. The transformation was a gradual process, not an overnight success. It took years of planning, years of trial and error, and years of sheer hard work. But slowly and surely the hotel began to change. It started attracting people from all walks of life. It became more than just a place to grab a drink. It became a beacon of the community, a place where memories were made, where stories were told, and where laughter was always in the air. The impact of this transformation on the local community was profound. The hotel became a symbol of unity, bringing people together in a way that no other place could. It was a place that welcomed everyone, regardless of their background or status. It was a place that celebrated the diversity and vibrancy of the community. Every Thursday night is Connemara night became more than just a phrase. It became a tradition, a part of the city's culture, a lifestyle. It brought people together, created bonds, and fostered friendships. It was a testament to the power of community and the magic that happens when people come together to celebrate life. This is the story of a humble hotel's transformation into a major entertainment hub. It's a story of resilience, of determination, and of dreaming big. It's a reminder that even in the unpredictable and challenging world of hospitality, magic can happen. It's a testament to the power of community and the joy that can be found in the simple act of coming together. It's a celebration of life, of friendship, and of the magic that can be found in the most unexpected places. So here's to the humble hotel that dared to dream big, and in doing so became a beacon of joy and camaraderie for its community.